everyone, my name is Rashail Anwar and you're watching Complete Education Pakistan. Today our topic is Be Aware, Be Safe, Unit 10, Grade 4, Part 2 based on One Nation, One Curriculum. So let's start. Our first word is seen. Seen meaning is देखना. Before, पहले. Persons, अफराद. Getting out, बाहर जाना. They, वो. Seem, लगता है. Strangers, अजनबी. Watch out, watch out, खबरदार. Coming, आ रहे हैं. Towards, की तरफ. Talk, बात करें. Accept, कबूल करें. Anything, कुछ भी. Ignore, नजरअंदाज. Come across, इस पर आए. Situation, सूरत हाल. Brother, have you seen them before? Two persons getting out of the car. By, क्या आपने उन्हें पहले देखा है? दो अफराद गाड़ी से उतर रहे हैं. Sister, no, they seem to be strangers. बहन, नहीं, वो अजनबी लगते हैं. Brother, watch out, they're coming towards us. Watch out, they're coming towards us. By, खबरदार, वो हमारी तरफ आ रहे हैं. Sister, yes, we should not talk to strangers or accept anything from them. बहन, हाँ, हमें अजनबियों से बात नहीं करनी चाहिए या उनकी कोई बात कबूल नहीं करनी. Brother, oh yes, let's ignore them. By, जी हाँ, आए इनको नजरअंदाज करें. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to subscribe to our channel Complete Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. See you in the next video.